Hello, my name is Elizabeth Zorn, and this is my practicum project. I'm going to be walking you through my classroom management course and the important features and challenges that I've had in developing my classroom management course. I thought I'd start out here with a challenge that I had. I knew Google Classroom, I'm used to it, I've navigated a lot, but I had some pre-service teachers, we have student teachers in our building who have never used Google Classroom and they weren't sure how to navigate through the course. And so I went ahead and made a YouTube video of how to navigate through the course. And so that's right on the stream, right where they log in, and they're able to go through, see what they need to do, see the different things and different features of Google Classroom. After that, I wanted to go through some things and important aspects in my classwork tab. This is where all of the learning and instructional materials are, as well as the assignments. So here I wanted to first go into the resource tab. This is an important tab for the entire course and something that I am very proud of and have pride in, especially the classroom management syllabus. This is one of the last things that I did for my course, and I decided to build it because I wanted to make sure that my students had something to help them guide them through the course. And I use my syllabuses for my course, and I watch them very carefully and make sure that I'm doing the right thing. And so I went ahead and made a syllabus. And while this is a rough syllabus, I think that eventually when we figure out due dates, we'll have more of like, this is due this day, and have that more in detail than outlined in the syllabus. But I felt like it was really important that the assignments were outlined and the rubrics were all in one spot so they knew what to expect within the course. After that, I have using Google Classroom using Flipgrid. These are just videos and websites to help them navigate through Google Classroom and Flipgrid if they're struggling. And there's an observation rubric. Part of the Kirkpatrick model, modeling behavior, our learners are going to have their master and mentor teacher come in and observe them for 5 to 10 minutes, different months out after the course. And so this is the observation rubric the master and mentor teachers are going to use, and I wanted the students to know what was expected from them after the course ended. After this, you can see that there's different weeks. On the side, I have weeks 0 through 9. My course originally wasn't built for a week 0. I actually had not thought of that, and towards the end of the project, the feedback that I got from my supervisor was, hey, I don't like that the classroom management plan is in week 2 like we had discussed. I feel like the students need more time to develop that, and I don't know how that would look, whether we make that a whole week and we delete a week, or how we would make that look. And so I came up with a week 0 idea. Classroom management plans are going to be made before the kids come into the classroom. And so before the class starts, I want them to have their classroom management plan done. And that way they're ready for the course and they're ready to jump in, and they have 8 skills that they're going to learn. Each week is built pretty much the same. They have a pre-assessment and post-assessment, so we can assess their learning throughout the week, a slideshow, a reading, a discussion, and a reflection assignment. I wanted to quickly go on to the slideshow. The slideshow has a checklist of what is expected of them throughout the week, a video, and some instructional materials that I felt were important to add on to that. After that, on the celebrations, we have a course post-assessment. I had a course pre-assessment, so I can assess the learning throughout the entirety of the course, as well as a classroom management plan revised assignment, so we know what to look back at in their rubric. Finally, I just wanted to share about my Flipgrid discussion. I felt like Google Classroom wasn't engaging for the learners enough, so I found a way that the discussions could be more engaging. I decided to use Flipgrid because Flipgrid is a video system where they can have video discussions with one another, and I felt like that was more interactive than just having a normal written discussion, and so that's why I have Flipgrid discussions within my posts. So I hope you enjoyed my classroom management model. Thank you so much for your feedback, and have a great day.